So in the last episode, we have done everything correctly. Our weather app is working absolutely fine. We are showing various things, and let's clean up some of the codes we have here. So let's check one by one. And the first thing I can see is vif. Now we don't need vif because our data is loading on the server, and as soon as the page is ready, everything is there. So we don't need any vif. So that means it's working absolutely fine. Next, let's see, everything is good. And so here again we are using vif. Let's remove that also, and let's just search for vif. One more vif is there, so let's remove that. Let's again search vif. Okay, so we get rid of the vifs, and then inside here everything is working fine. We have commented out layout, so let's remove this. And then here city is by default London, and it's okay, so no problem. And then we are saying sync data, that means loading from the server side. And now comes the very important thing. You can see the app ID is written here, and one more here. So why not move it somewhere else? So what we can do, we can cut it from here, and I will say this dot app, or like weather app ID, and this will be inside like this. Okay, so let's make it here. So weather app ID will be this one, only one, and it will be like this. So if I now go here, yeah, it's loading. You can see it's loading, and I think we have some problem. Yeah, it says weather app ID is not defined. Maybe we have done some incorrect things, and that's because here we are saying, okay, so weather app ID is working fine on the front end, but when it comes to the back end, at that time, that means not on the back end, on the server side thing, this dot weather app ID is not defined. That means while doing the server side rendering, the data of the component is not available. So I think this is not a good idea to store app ID here. So where we can store the app ID? So what I'm going to do, I will open nuxt.config.js, and one more module I'm going to install here, which is called .env. So again I will go to Chrome and I will search nuxt.env. so here we have a module called .env module, and we just need to install this module, and then we can easily put all of the things on environment variable. So this thing we will do in the next episode, but let's just finish it, and I will undo it so that it will work fine for this episode. So just for some of the cleanups we need. So yeah, so here we have, and one last thing, we don't need this temp because now we have the data. It's similar to the vif kind of things, so I will remove it, or you can move this thing at the top here also, but I will keep it here. So that's okay, and we will meet in the next episode to move this into environment file and using this .env module. We will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.